Don't let me fall this time.
He's gonna totally let you fall.
You need to back up. Back your hands up.
Grab his fucking...
That's face first. He's got it.
Alright, grab your cup.
I told you.
God damn it, I got this. Back up, Pam. Good.
Pie, back up.
Watch your cup.
Come here, Pie. You gotta hand him the cup, Danny.
No, wait. You gotta feed it to me? You just gotta center yourself. I can't center myself and hold myself at the same time. Yeah, you can't do a one-handed push-up, basically.
Neither can you.
No, goddamn right I can't. That's why I'm not
So help him. Hold his legs up.
This is gonna work. It's gonna work at all. It's gonna work. Almost had that time. I could've got the cup to my mouth faster. Yeah, just 1 second. Let's get this. Yeah, I think I broke my
You
wrist.
actually were on point.
I have a wrist
Oh,
brace
got it.
for the left hand.
Help me.
You gotta hold his legs up, Danny. You gotta help him with his balance.
I'm gonna hold his legs.
Help him with his balance. He's obviously not a good balancer. Lean up against the wall, Blaine.
No, it's not that.
You turn the light off! Turn the light back on!
Bro!
Hold on, I got this.
We're in the dark here!
No, you had that shit.
Dude, get some paper towels. You're making a mess.
I think I broke my knee.